Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Shamin, Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency, and I do monthly videos on audits and also sharing with you some of the latest updates from Facebook, Instagram, even Google and email marketing platforms such as MailChimp and MailerLite. Today, I'm going to introduce to you how you can set up your ads directly on your Facebook business page. So if you're an admin, you're a business owner, you own a Facebook business page, please make sure that you are the admin and you always give your staff, your colleagues, agency, and editor right, not the admin rights. Okay? This is to protect yourself. Always be the admin, be the only admin, you and your co-founders, you and your co-directors. Let's dive into how to set up, and there are a few things to look out for. Facebook has launched a few new features, which I think it's really great to talk about them, especially testing of images and also the captions. Page. Okay, this is what you will see, your Facebook business page. But go to the left panel, scroll down to Ad Center, click once, it will open up. You could either choose to click from here, all ads, or just wait for it to load. You can create your ad here. And once you click on create ad, they will ask you some options. Personally, I would look for this option, create new ad. And once I click on create new ad, they will ask me what is my goal. Okay, we talked about marketing goals on the first session, and right now you can also look at what goals you want. Okay, there are many goals here. I think about 7 plus automatic is 8 options. Personally, I usually always go for website visitors or get more leads. Okay, so I would suggest that if you want to get more leads, come to the Facebook business page to launch your ad. Okay, the setup is a bit different, and I'm going to show you how this is done. It looks very different from the other ad setup. So get more leads is done. My goal is get more leads. Shuffle creative, you can have a few types of graphics. I will be very honest with you. Today, if you don't have more than one graphic on your ad, usually people get bored and it's very difficult. Like Facebook can't find out how to make your ad perform better. So I suggest if you are not sure, you are new, to come here to launch your ad so that you can shuffle the creatives. Okay, so a mixture of headlines, so you at least test your graphics. It's to the same audience, but some testing, some options are given. So earlier I add some emojis. I highly recommend for you to add some emojis here and write a caption that is eye-catching. Hey business owners, do you need help with social media marketing? Give it some time. They will load the preview for you. Okay, take a look at this. So usually I will add some emojis at the start. It would help to capture people's attention. I do have some graphics, so let me add the graphics as well. And I think that would actually help us to have a better idea of what we can do with the ad setup here. I'm going to just add my graphics that I had done, which was the graphic that you seen earlier. Just going to add a graphic, select it, and I can add more. So can upload to my folder. If you have at least 2, that would be fantastic. All right, I'm going to remove the first one because it doesn't make it's not in the right size. Okay, so I have 2 graphics here. You can test up to 5. I'm just going to edit the headline as here. So I would say free consultation, change the button, and I'm done. So now that you're done choosing your goal, having at least 2 graphics on shuffling, all right, the third thing is your ad creative. Remember to look at features versus benefits. How can you help people to understand the benefits of working with you. Instead of saying, do you need help with social media marketing? Maybe I can say something like, grow your business. Would you like to grow your business with social media marketing? And I can add a emoji as well right here. So say for example, a partying icon. Maybe here I could add another emoji like to wave to them because I'm saying hi business owners. Check how it looks like on ad preview. Looks like something is okay. Maybe I would just do without this icon. Okay, it looks better now. 2 lines. This is mobile view, so I can click on see all previews and I could take a look at desktop view and on Instagram how it looks like. I would say that if you design for 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, it should look quite okay. Instead of free consultation, maybe I would change to free social media audit. Okay, let's see how this looks like on the ad preview. Right, learn more, or maybe I could change the button to say sign up. Okay, or apply now. If you want to add some hashtags, I think that's fine. So it can't be seen, but okay, it can be seen. So that's even better. Okay, once I'm happy with this, I'm just gonna copy it and save it somewhere. So people reach for $100, this is considered low. So something must be up. And I'm gonna show you how you can create your own audience. Okay, so first things first, I think double check on your form if it's correct. Okay, for me, I've created my form. You can actually just create a new form. Free social media audit, 15 March 2022. I could customize the text if you want to. You can. Okay, I usually do. I would say struggle with social media marketing. Do a free social Instagram and Facebook business page. Okay, go in the form too and learn 5 things to social media. So usually I need at least the phone number and email. Reason because many people actually fill in the email, either they fill it wrongly or when we email them it ends up in spam. So what we do is we will send an email out from our email provider, but if they do not respond within a week, we will actually call them or we'll send the email again. But sometimes a mobile number is also filled in incorrectly. But the good thing about this is that majority of the time they actually have an autofill. So whatever details that a person has filled in with Facebook as a verification would be that email and that mobile number. So there is a lesser chance of them filling it incorrectly. Okay, so you should ask a question. Reason because if you don't ask, people tend to click through very quickly and they forgot what was it. Okay, so I would ask something like, what is your social media page handle for IG, username for Facebook? Do you have 100 followers yet? So I could add a privacy policy. If you have a page, I will encourage you to add it. Majority of us are actually English UK, but I think it's fine for English US. Okay, once you're done, click save and give it some time. Once it's done, your form will be called Free Social Media Audit 15 March. Okay. Oh yeah, it's done already. Okay, so just double check on everything. And now let's look at create audience. I usually try this thing called people who like my page and their friends because we actually put in a lot of effort to growing our followers. But you can see that the reach for $100 is very low. So sometimes I would do that if it's relatively in the thousands range. Like $100 can reach 2,000 to maybe even up to 4,000-5,000 people. Now let me do an audience targeting, say to Business Times, people who are interested in Business Times, 30 to 44, SG Business Times. Okay, why 30 to 44? These are usually people in the manager positions already. Okay, so you can see here, all right, 1.7 million, too big. Okay, usually I just try to redo the locations just to show you how it looks like. Okay, Singapore City is the correct option. Then you get to choose the miles. As you can see, 25 miles is 40 kilometers, is too big. Okay, so 11 miles is just right. I think about 80-90% of Singapore there. Okay, and I'm gonna do business. Okay, can you see here business page admins? Right, and also I'm going to do, so business page admin is 45,034. I'm going to check on business times as well. I think they remove business times. Okay, but if you want to, you can do business and finance, and let's see how big this is. If it's too big, I'll remove it. Okay, it's not too big. All right, so this is an ideal size actually. So I love this. I'm going to click save. So it wasn't business times, it was page admin. So I need to edit the name. So it should be business and finance. The other one was business page admins. 57K. I usually like to put all those things in so that helps me in the next round when I'm setting up. The next thing is to look at the budget. Hopefully the reach will increase. Otherwise, I need to re-look at this audience setting to make sure that I increase everything. And $100 should at least reach like 2,000 people. That is my ballpark and my goal for any $100 budget that I have, whether it's for myself or with my clients. Okay, after that, I'm gonna jump into one of our ads on another page and just talk through a little bit about the insights for you. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right, so let's jump to our other page where we recently launched a video ad, and I wanted to talk about it because this ad was a video lead gen ad. So what do I mean by that? It can be graphics, it can be carousels, it can be videos. In this case, we tried to launch a video lead gen ad, and you want to take note that this is an animation video. So animation video has been performing very well for us, and we have so many animation videos, and time again it's performed very well and gives us lots of additional reach that is cheaper than usual for our other videos or our other graphics, infographics. This has just started for 2 to 3 days. In the first 24 hours, we had 2 leads, and it cost less than $3 to $4 per lead. Right now, the lead has went up to about $7 something, and that's because today there was no leads coming in. But you want to take a look that it only took 258 people to see the ad before I got 2 leads, and before that it was actually much lower. Only 100 odd people saw the ad and they have responded to the ad. So I highly recommend for you to check out this, and I think it would work very well for you as well. But if you remember in my earlier advert that I've set up, it was a free consultation, something very valuable that we do. Maybe people think that, oh, a consultation is not valuable. So in your industry, think about what is valuable to your clients and use that to advertise and promote about yourself, your products, your services, and to draw your customers in, attract them to you. And hopefully that would actually help you to better your marketing messages as you move along. I highly recommend you to always be testing. In fact, at any point of time, we are running 1 to 2 ads, and we let it run and keep the leads coming in all the time. Don't try to time the leads that you get and the ads that you're doing for certain events. Always do it all the time. Be getting new leads all the time so that you don't suffer the high cost on lead gen ads, especially during festive periods like Chinese New Year, Christmas, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video.